Hi, what's going on? Welcome to Driver Installer. In this video, I will show you how you can activate flash alerts for notifications. This is a fairly simple process, so if you follow all the steps correctly, you will be able to activate this feature on your device. An important detail, this function is compatible with almost any Apple device that has an LED flash. Before we start, if you want to know more iPhone tricks, please subscribe to this channel. On your iPhone, the first thing you are going to do is go to Settings. In the Settings, scroll down and then tap on the Accessibility tab. In Accessibility, look for the Hearing section, and now tap on Audio/Visual. In this tab, go to the bottom and here you will find the option LED Flash for Alerts. When you enable this option, every time you receive a message, a call, or any other notification, your iPhone won't just ring and vibrate, it will also turn on the flash as an alert mode. Note that this alert will not work if your device is in silent mode. In other words, if your iPhone has the sound switch turned down. If you want flash alerts to activate even if your iPhone is on silent, you're going to enable the option called Flash on Silent. Another important detail that you have to take into account is that, by using the flash a lot, your battery may run out a little faster, so if you receive a lot notifications, you have been warned, although you can always go to Notification, disable the ones you don't need, and thus optimize performance a little more. Now you know everything you need to know about LED flash alerts. If this method has worked for you, let me know in the comments. If you want to continue learning, watch this video. Don't forget to go without signing up.